Hey guys, it's LPS Caitlin here. Holy freaking crap, I got one of my dream short hairs. I ripped out some of the parts, so, oh my gosh. Let's just get right into the unboxing because she's been my dream short hair forever, and I had to wait forever for her to come in the mail, and forever to save up enough money to get her. So, let's open her. Okay. Yeah, my brother just came in here and acted like he was going to throw up because he hates LPS. Guys, like, I don't even know what to say right now. I don't even know what to say. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not really opening on camera. I'm just... Oh my gosh. You guys seriously don't know how long I've been waiting. Ready to see her fall out in her other mini package? Oh my gosh. She is so pretty as well as that. Oh. Guys, oh my gosh, I'm gonna flip. I'm going to freaking flip. Okay, let's check to see if she is a real short hair. I'm not comparing her with my mascot because I always use one short hair to compare with. Get it? I don't know why, but I like comparing with this one. Okay, so the first thing is the hole, which is good. Not like the Hasbro thing. Hasbro SA. I'm pretty sure they don't have like the paw thing or anything. If I like can just like make it a bit darker, like if we do it like right here or something. No, that's way too dark. But oh my gosh, guys. She's my dream short hair. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I did. Getting my dream short hair kitty. Oh, and she has the LPS symbol. She's a good girl. I love her. Let's compare the LPS symbols. One second. She's flipping real. Oh my gosh. Thank you all for watching. Bye. Bye.